We'll guide you through how to make filters in Google Sheets. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Filters are really convenient because they allow you to go and sort and view the data that you're interested in. For example here, I just want to go and view the data of the students who failed. I don't need to go and see the pass. So therefore, we can go and filter it to go and do this. To get started, we need to go and select the headings. So I'll click, hold and drag like so. With them selected, we can then go to the top. And you can go and click on data, and you want to find the option for create a filter, and you can then go and click there like so. You go and notice an icon to the right of each heading now. In this case, I want to filter by pass or fail, so I'll click on this heading, and then what we can do is go and choose what we want to go and see. So I just want to go and see fail, so I'll go and unselect pass, I'll then go and press OK, and now I can just go and see it there. So it's that simple. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Have an awesome day.